That's everything that came in the box. All right, the mounting bracket they send with this, you're not going to be able to mount this on studs like that are 16 inches on center. So unless I have a little stud finder, I took my stud finder, I made sure I had a stud here and a stud there. This 2x8, I got like two 4.5-inch screws and two 3.5-inch screws on both sides. Now I can take this mounting plate and I can mount that on there solid. So, because I got to run the hose from the pressure washer right down here. You can see that's where my water comes in, and I have an outlet right over here to plug it into. So it all kind of works out well right there. I recommend reading those instructions because there's different things you need to maybe know, but make sure you put your mounting plate like that, not like that, because it's got to slide on this channel. It does come with a little level to help you mount it, so you're level. If you're tightening these up, be careful not to strip these out. You should be able to feel them get tight. All right, that's good. Oh, there we go. That worked out perfect. That's how I want it. I can put my hose right under it. Turn it on and off on this right side. All right, I got it all plugged in. Just take that piece off the pressure washer itself and hook your gun up. It should be good. And there's a spot right here on the right hand side. You can put this gun right down in there. Store that. That's nice. That's really nice. All I gotta do is hook up this. And there's a little filter here in the one end. That's gonna go on the pressure washer itself. Like that. That on. That's going to go to my pressure washer. There's a little hose that goes on the bottom of your foam cannon. Just push that on there like that. Put that together. And that has a nice little storage spot right here. All right, these are all my nozzles. You should have a 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, and a 40 degree. I think this pin is if you have to replace your high pressure hose. Turn the machine on. The on-off switch is right here on the right-hand side. Let's try it out. See if anything leaks. Hopefully nothing leaks. Got to fill that hose up. Turn my water all the way on. Good, good, good. Let me turn this on. It should do just like that. I turned it on and it eventually, if you're not pulling the trigger, it should turn back off. So it should stay off unless I pull that trigger. So let's go try that out. Let me open my garage door. I can pull this all out and let it wind up better anyway. This piece down in here even has little ball bearings in it, it looks like, to help this when you're pulling on this on an angle. Get this hose wound up a little better. That is wonderful. Let's put this thing away. All right, I hope this installation video and review video helped you out a little bit on your decision to buy this. Thanks for watching.